Hey, yo.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, bro?
1-on-1?
Sure. Hey, come on. You miss? You miss?
Get up, man.
You really got a hot hand. How did you do that?
Cause I have a secret weapon.
Oh, try many brands as well. What's the difference?
My trainer always advised me to wear knee sleeve on the court. And when I'm training weight, it has compression and silicone to support your kneecap. So I can always bring my A game on the court.
Wow, that's so sick. Maybe I should get one too.
You can, but have you ever been in a lane 4 in the morning? So if you train for 10 years, maybe one day you can beat me.
Come on, man. Let's have another game.
For sure, for sure.
But you do be crazy about those training.
It's Mamba mentality.